Power BI Portal is your central hub for reports and data. From the home screen, you go straight into your reports. With one click, the sales report opens, bringing your key metrics into view. Net sales, units sold, category and store breakdowns. Everything is visible at a glance. Now meet Portal AI FrontOffice. Built directly into the portal experience, it opens alongside the report so you can interact with your data without breaking context. Ask a question like, can you analyze this report and provide a brief summary of the key points? Portal AI starts working immediately. In seconds, it returns a clear, structured response, highlighting performance, monthly trends, and the numbers that matter most. Net sales, units sold, and returns, broken down by month. Right there in the conversation. This is a faster, more natural way to understand your reports. Ask questions, get answers, stay focused on the data. Portal AI FrontOffice, a smarter way to understand Power BI reports.